Hello, sir. Shells over here, shells. अरे sir, you're looking superb. Shells over here. रब्बा करे. Finally the day.
थैंक यू प्लीज वॉच दिस सॉन्ग रब्बा करे बताना कैसा लगा आप सबको रिलीज हो गया जी आप सबकी ब्लेसिंग्स
सब धमाका धमाका.
आ गई सब मारेंगे आइए
Shells are
आइए
Hello, ma'am.
यार ले 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 ले
हेलो कांग्रेचुलेशंस कॉशियस
Look center.
Shells are You're right.
फिर आपके सिर्फ सामने देखे
Right, ma'am. Oh, you're right here.
सेंटर में देखिए.
सेंटर आप दोनों सेंटर
यश भाई.
ये भाई.
You're right.
We can do one right to left at one time. Right to left.
भाई भाई भाई.
थैंक यू लेना भाई
Thank you everyone.
ये आगे मत बस काम हाँ
इधर इधर सामने.
भाई मोबाइल
उर्वशी जी.
फोन
राइट राइट राइट
कुर्सी में आपके ठीक सामने कैमरा
सेंटर.
मैम ठीक सामने
इधर भी एक.
मैम एक सामने हो जाए
हाइट में भी
प्यारी लवली मैम
क्या बात.
परफेक्ट
ओह.
यस थैंक यू
कितना मेरे दिल की आस हर एक सांस सब तेरे नाम लिखना माही माही सुन मेरे माही तेरे साथ साथ रहना मेरे दिल की आस हर एक सांस सब तेरे नाम लिखना
something that people have spent half their life trying to get a एक पहचान बनाने के लिए. So welcome.
Thank you, Sahil. This wonderful person who's here with me right now, I know him from B for You.
Yes.
इन्होंने मेरी सबसे पहली इंटरव्यू की थी कड़क एंड और भी बहुत आई थिंक स्टार स्टॉप भी था
बहुत सारे
थे
yes.
एंड लवली वॉइस हिज वॉइस इज सो अमेजिंग
और तभी मैं गा नहीं पाता हूँ सर, तभी हम दूर रहेंगे. But you know it is a very very difficult world to do जब आप एक गाना बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं और एक
जी
शुरुआत में ही आपका एक गाना बन जाता है बहुत बड़ा. Why don't we have a seat and
Yeah,
then
yeah, sure,
we
sure,
will of
sure.
course call
Yes,
the
yes,
lady
yes, yes.
who's perhaps there on everyone's mind these days. She's perhaps I think the most talked about lady that there is in the industry.
she is definitely, that's what we took her in the video, right?
Absolutely.
That was that's a USP.
But you're one of the most I think fortunate individuals. जब शुरुआत में आप एक गाना निकालते हो और आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते हो कि इतने जिंदगी भर तक लोग ये गाना जानेंगे और गाते रहेंगे. Has this been a boon for you या फिर इसको forever के लिए हीरिए के लिए आपको live up करना पड़ा है?
You know, actually, honestly, बहुत लोगों को पता भी नहीं कि वो गाना मैंने गाया था. जो आज की जनरेशन है, साउंड चल रहा है. You know, sound people know, हीरिए, सोनिए. लेकिन you know, I think पता नहीं वो एक चीज़ बन गई, प्यारी सी मेलोडी बन गई, लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया. क्योंकि उस टाइम 2006 की बात है ये. And I think those time lot of remixes were happening.
Absolutely.
You know, Harry Anand, Kaanta Laga, all those things were happening, you know. And then suddenly I think when this track dropped, एक emotional track, you know, with those lovely visuals and you know dialogues and all, तो I think वो हो सकता है कि impact पड़ा हो लोगों के दिलों में, you know, मतलब काफी, you don't know यार, एक चीज़ बन गई. It's like, you know, it's
You mentioned 2006. लोग बोलते हैं ना
जी,
reverse
जी.
aging पूरी दुनिया जा रही है. इस बात को 18-19 साल हो गए हैं. Listen, I have to say, you maintain the size also. It's fantastic, यार. This is you know you do a lot of other things also. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कई बार लोग इसको नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं. Because you got to appear on screen also. You have to look the right way also. You've really maintained this part.
यार अब I'm getting old यार. I have to you know, you know look after myself. But I think I just be happy. You know, stay positive. You know, get that beautiful positive energy from the universe, and you throw that same energy. I mean, I just want everybody should be happy. वो happiness से maybe वो weight वो control में है.
सब कुछ. It looks like you're doing yoga 24/7. वो बुद्धा वाली feel है आपके face पर. You know, but making a track also like this also. Samiksha is very involved. The both of you have been involved in front of the camera, behind the camera, behind the camera. You know, your family. It's is it difficult to work with your wife?
Samiksha is actually she herself is an actress.
Yes.
तो काफी movies की हैं,
Yes.
TV series वगैरह की हैं. So I think you know she understands cinema very well.
Right.
मुझे याद है सालिल like during lockdown
Yes.
we shot this video called तेरे नाल.
Yes.
उस टाइम मेरी मेट थी सिंगापुर में और मेरी असिस्टेंट थी. हमने कैमरा दे दिया उनको और फ्रेमिंग समीक्षा ने कर दी कि भाई अब खड़े हो जाओ. मैंने कहा खड़े होना है. She's like नहीं, we will make it very nice COVID style kind of thing कि वो हम डॉक्टर्स हैं. You know, तो I think वो I think she has that instinct, you know, that she understands camera, she understands storytelling. अच्छी सुनते ही कोई story दिमाग में आती है समीक्षा की. तो ये इस गाने के साथ भी, you know, she curated everything very well. And I think I thank her for this beautiful creation. And obviously thank you, Urvashi, for being part of this song. क्योंकि working with her was amazing. She's such a lovely person. You know, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. You know, मुझे थोड़ा ये था कि कैसी होएंगी, you know, like, I mean, you know, because she's been here, you know, has done so many, you know, albums and, you know, a lot of other things. तो लेकिन comfort zone था, you know, this is the most important thing when you're working with your co-star.
You know, and before I call her on stage, I have to say, she's one of the hardest working individuals I have known. Again, मैं भी इनको इतने सालों से जानता हूँ. जब वो stage पर आ रही हैं, she has worked her way up. She has reached a stage where, you know, everyone now knows. You know, like I said, लोग नाम के लिए इतना कुछ करते हैं और कई बार लोग नाम नहीं पहचानते हैं. But Urvashi Rautela today, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the most loved faces on Indian cinema and Indian television.
Yes.
Please to welcome her on stage. And can I have a chair for us? Urvashi, welcome. Once again. Can I just have a mic, please? The mic is... हाँ, दे दो. Thank you. Please, Urvashi, have a seat. पहले just have a seat, then we'll just go ahead. Yeah. थोड़ा और पास. Yeah, please, okay.
Yeah.
उर्वशी is, like I said, कि ये एक एक करके ना लोगों की विश लिस्ट पर आप और ऊपर जाते जा रहे हो. And that's how it's always been. मैं हर बार जब आपसे मिलता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you know, you're trying so hard and you always manage to succeed. So now that you are the it girl in Bollyland और सब लोग चाहते हैं कि उर्वशी के साथ we should make some kind of a project. How does it feel now?
First of all, extremely grateful and very thankful for such sweet words and very kind words. I must say, first of all, extremely elated to have all of you here. Thank you so much to all the members of media. I'm just truly elated, and I think I've been truly blessed and very lucky that right since beginning of my career, I have had a great evergreen romantic songs, right from Arijit Singh's Sanam Re, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, Wo Chand Kahan Se Laogi, and there are multiple, tracks which have added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy, and I'm very, fingers crossed that also the same thing happens with our track Rabba Kare, that it adds up to the filmography, and people love it even way more.
लोग होता है ना Shail, it happens, when you have there's a lucky charm हो जाता है, and when the lucky charm sort of works, it really. Just one sec. Should I wait for the lights to come back on? Okay, continue. So एक lucky charm बन जाता है, and it sort of really works, and I think she's become that lucky charm. Wherever you go, you'll see Urvashi these days.
She's traveling, I think, everywhere. I mean, मैं देखता हूँ कभी गोवा में होती हैं, कभी वहाँ होती हैं, कभी यहाँ. मतलब it's really amazing. See, keeping yourself, engaged with so many things, and again keeping yourself so fit and fine.
That is another thing.
That
also.
that is something.
उर्वशी का जो
It's very
workout schedule,
difficult.
उसको देखकर ही मैं बेहोश हो जाऊँ.
It's very difficult. यार आदमी की हालत बुरी होती है. But I think it's all a hard work, and I'm saying, मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही मज़ा आया. हमने जब काम किया दुबई में 2 days का शूट था हमारा. So it was fantabulous working with her, and I personally wish her all the success in her forthcoming projects, whatever she's doing. And obviously रब्बा करे, अभी गाना है, आप सब प्लीज प्यार करिए, शेयर करिए. थोड़ी मार्केटिंग करना चाहूँगा मैं यहाँ पर.
थोड़ी, we can do lots of.
I know.
Urvashi, 2 दिन के शूट में पहले 2 घंटे कैसे रहता है? You met Shail over there. Of course, we've known Shail for a period of time also. As a singer and as an artist, we've always known him. First 2 hours, how is it? How was it meeting Shail?
I have to say that when I met him, I told my parents that I'm working with him, and they were really over the moon, and they were very happy because they love him, and they told me, "Are you're working with Shail Oswal? Okay, you don't have to worry." That's what exactly they said, that you don't have to worry. And right from that moment, I didn't worry at all, and it has been such a smooth ride. I think I find him really very unique because apart from being truly super successful, businessman, at the same time, how do we say, आजकल वो song trend चल रहा है ना, millionaire. So I would say that, he is such a successful businessman, but in every successful businessman, you'll find this one thing, that they lack the creative part, which I don't know from where he gets this so perfectly. He has this such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and this is a kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
इतनी बढ़ाई.
मैं बोल रहा सर.
Thank you, Urvashi.
Absolutely right.
No, but
difficult to do
so
both.
kind of her. I'm really kind of you. Thank you so much. And likewise, same goes for her. The amazing human being, amazing person. I saw her that song, Sanam Re. One thing good about Urvashi is that, she can mold herself into any character. तो इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट हमने कोशिश की कि we have to show her भाई that simplified kind of that zone, right? इतना अच्छा बन के आया तो we all are happy यार, बस अभी तो अब आपके ऊपर है.
इन सब के ऊपर है, but it's a large team that was involved in making the track also. Was this an immediate yes? Like ऐसा था multiple versions इसके बने थे, या फिर जैसे कई बार होता है ना, you're not back and forth चलते रहता है, ऐसा हुआ था इस पे या immediately yes हो गया था?
नहीं, I think immediately. Yeah, we had the story, we had the screenplay ready. And so once she was on board, that's it. We just shot 2 days and
I like the arrangement of the track also. Beach mein, a lot of the songs that you have, have this love story vibe to it. There's a nice groove to it also. And there's a lot of electronic element that goes into it. So whose idea was that?
This was completely my music composer. Actually, I went back to my old team from Hirie. So Vidu Goswami, so I call him Vidu, he's a Bengali. तो मैंने कहा दादा कुछ अलग करते हैं, जेन जी का कुछ करते हैं, थोड़ा अपबीट करते हैं, मुझे ना वो मेलो नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है रोमांटिक गाना करेंगे बट अगेन आई हैव दिस विजन दैट लेट्स मेक दिस ट्रैक अ लिटिल लाइक एज यू राइटली सेड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लिटिल अपबीट गिटार्स तो वो फिर उन्होंने कुछ बना के मुझे भिजवाया सो वी वर जैमिंग यार 2-3 आई मेलोडीज फिर फाइनल आई थॉट दैट दिस इज द वन वी शुड
Picks off very nicely. Just
Thank
before
you,
I
thank
open
you
out
so
to
much.
also the public also, what is on your playlist right now? Rishi, you're traveling. Like Shell said, you're always traveling. क्या सुनते हो? Because I know you're not doing the meetings that your team is doing.
travel after this as well.
Immediately.
Yeah.
अभी गोवा होगा ना या बट आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज ऑन योर प्लेलिस्ट क्या सुनते रहते हो म्यूजिक सुनते हो या फिर स्क्रिप्ट रीडिंग्स चलती रहती है क्या चलता है
नहीं, I'm a big time music lover, and I've been hearing a lot of Sabrina Carpenter's tracks these days. Wow. And I just like, I so love her music, be it like espresso or any kind of songs. I think Sabrina Carpenter's music. And I've also been hearing a lot of Tylaz, a lot of like Afro music, and a lot of what do we say, Korean pop. I like. So
you
I like
throw
that.
so many
मैं
googlies
एक
and I
चीज-
expected something totally different.
I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but I have to say this. Urvashi had told me that she's also a singer and she sings. I really, I was so impressed. And I asked her, like, what genre of music do you like? She's like, I love these, melodies. And तो मैंने कहा कमाल की बात है ये. I've not heard her singing, but I would love to, someday. I mean, whenever, I
एक
told her.
एल्बम काटने का टाइम आ गया है उर्वशी
नहीं, मतलब और देखो उत्तराखंड से है तो वहाँ तो वैसे भी संगीत तो लोगों के जहन में है क्योंकि मैं नैनीताल में शूट कर रहा था मुझे याद है वहाँ पर आई मीन पहाड़ों में ना एक्चुअली म्यूजिक की सेंस बहुत होती है लोगों को आई हैव सीन दैट एंड आई थिंक मे बी शी इज फ्रॉम दैट स्टेट ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट एंड शी हैज दैट सेंस एंड शी सिंग्स दैट वाज द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग so
एक हो जाए हमारे इनके लिए थोड़ा सा. I'll just have
please you have to I would love to love to
I'll have a little bit. This is dedicated to him.
oh, well, thank you so much
And
That's what I love about you.
everyone.
आप always ready रहते हैं. This is the best part. हो जाए.
It is a lot of people will not understand it, whether it's like a bit different. Though I'm not ready, but let's go ahead. Aliyeri Ari piya bena Aliyeri Ari piya bena सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनो रतिया खटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन एरी आरी पिया बिन सखी एरी आरी पिया बिन.
Unrehearsed. Live. I have
Thank you.
oh wow
wonderful. उर्वशी मेरे पास लाइव सिंगर्स आ जाते हैं मेरे रेडियो स्टूडियो में आते हैं मेरे टेलीविजन स्टूडियो में आते हैं और वो नहीं गाने को तैयार रहते हैं यार और वो बोलते हैं गला खराब है मेरा सो फैंटास्टिक शैल नाउ शी संग यू हैव टू सिंग रब्बा करे
This was for him.
मैं
सो वंडरफुल
एक गाना गाना चाहूंगा चलो ये है यहाँ पर and आप भी सब हैं so this song actually which kind of changed my perception for love songs and जहाँ शुरुआत हुई थी मेरी so I'll sing few lines of Hiri. तू ही जिंद मेरी है दिल दा करार नी तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता सोनिए हीरिए तेरी याद आंदी है सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी है थैंक यू
फ्लैशबैक हो गया हमारा
अरे वाह.
Before I open out, we'd love to hear Rabba Kare also. A couple of lines would be nice. Yeah.
We can play with the music actually. Upbeat है ना? With the music we can play. I mean I can sing with the music.
Yeah.
है ना थोड़ा
play ना.
उसमें एक
गाना
got
सुना
that-
दो.
थोड़ा उसे मजा आएगा.
Done.
Upbeat. मैं इसका बनाऊंगा अनप्लग्ड अगर ये चल गया.
You should. Play बाबा. Video नहीं, only audio.
ऑडियो ऑडियो.
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा लगा दीजिए.
धड़कूं मैं तुझ में हमेशा इस किस काबिल मैं बन जावा, मन्नतों को रहमतों में यारा तू बदल दे जरा, मेरे माही सुन मेरे माही, तेरे साथ साथ रहना, मेरे दिल की आस हर एक साथ सब तेरे नाम लिखना। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। अच्छा, आपके पर्सनल वीडियो के लिए
You have no, by the way, you don't have no idea that he dances also amazingly well.
अब देखो, अरे कौन सा डांस?
देखिए शुरुआत
Yes,
कैसे
yes,
हुई
it is audience polls.
हाँ,
See,
बिल्कुल,
the
बिल्कुल।
members of media want.
और शुरुआत ऐसी हुई कि उर्वशी गाती है, उर्वशी ने गा
जय हो
लिया।
जय।
चलिए,
ये स्टेप।
कैन वी जस्ट रिमूव द, आप चेयर हटा दीजिए, है ना? हाँ हाँ हाँ।
रब्बा करे ऐसा कुछ होवे,
फॉरवर्ड करूं?
तेरा दिल मैं
कि
बन
थोड़ा और फॉरवर्ड कर दे, गाना फॉरवर्ड कर दे थोड़ा।
धड़कूं मैं तुझ में,
हाँ, आगे जा।
मेरे माही
Yes, from here.
माही सुन मेरे माही, तेरे साथ साथ रहना, मेरे दिल की आस हर एक सांस सब तेरे नाम लिखना।
One sec.
द कोरियोग्राफर, तो मैं ना ऐसे कर रहा था यार, हील से। So this is
अब
a
वॉल्यूम कम कर।
तो मैं ना यार बार ऐसे से कर रहा था। कहता यार वो नीचे ना सिगरेट पड़ी है, सोचो आप ना बुझाओ। तो वो ये स्टेप ये था ये।
But that is the best way to teach people how to
ये
dance.
यहाँ देखो, मेरे हमेशा ये उठा था यार। बड़ी है, देख लो। नहीं ये तो बस सोचो कि है।
सर वो ABCD पिक्चर ही यही बनी थी, Anybody Can Dance, यही रीजन था हम सबके लिए।
नहीं, थोड़ा स्टेप था। She is the most fantabulous dancer. मैं देखो, honestly when I came to know that she is on board, so I had to work little harder, you know, to dance. इतना अच्छा डांसर नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया। But that's
No, this I think a big round of applause. They're very sporting, yeah.
thank you.
I'll say this to both of you also. Sometimes you know when you don't feel like doing this. कई बार लोगों को लगता है कि यार चलो गाना तो सुना दिया, सवाल जवाब. But I'm really happy and I love your spunk also. You make it really fun. तो कुछ सवाल जवाब जो लोग करना चाहते हैं, I'll throw it out to people. Yes.